Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cheems Wifhat token. So this is another Wifhat token. There's been many of them. Doge Wifhat, Pepe Wifhat, Floki Wifhat, Bonk Wifhat, you name it. Now we have Cheems Wifhat. So this token is on the Solana blockchain. Obviously it's a meme coin. We're going to go over the information on the Cheems Wifhat token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Cheems Wifhat token, I'm going to put their Twitter up right here on the screen. You'll see in the banner they spell it with, but then in other areas they spell it with. So, their address for their Twitter, their x.com, is at Cheems Wifhat. So that's how you find their Twitter. And then once you get to the Twitter, you'll see on their Twitter there, they have a Telegram and their webpage. Their webpage is cwif.site. Now, their Twitter just joined in September 2023. Brand new project, 133 followers so far, 40 tweets. Very much just a meme token. So it says, we're doing great things. So they just got listed on ntm.ai, and they're trending on there already. And yeah, it says never fade a Cheems with a hat. It is moon time. On their Twitter, you will find a DEX screener chart. So that's where you could have a look to see how the token is doing. Now, this token might also be listed on DEX Tools, DEX View, other listing sites as well. But they're definitely on DEX screener there. Now, how you get this token, first of all, it's a Solana token. So you'd need a wallet where you could store Solana tokens, like a Phantom wallet or a Coinbase, Coin98, MetaMask, Trust wallet, any wallet that stores SOL tokens. And then you would fund that wallet with SOL, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, I'm looking at it right now, it's on their webpage, cwif.site. You're going to find the contract address there. You can copy that address and then put it into Raydium and then trade your SOL for the Cheems Wifhat token using that contract address. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. Hopefully, we can find that. So I just found this token. It is listed on DEX Tools and DEX Screener as well. So on their webpage, it says 0% taxes, so you probably will not have to worry about slippage. Total supply of this token is 1 billion tokens. It says LP is burnt. So it says Cheems. Now, Cheems, if you didn't know, is a very popular token that came out a long time ago. Not around the same time Floki and Shiba Inu came out, but shortly after Cheems came out. And it says woof woof. You can check them out on CoinMarketCap, Raydium, and then it says MEXC Global. So that'll be coming soon as well. So very soon, this token will be listed on MEXC Global. And if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there. And so check that out. That's what it says on their webpage. Raydium, CoinMarketCap, and MEXC Global. And it says Cheems, with its unique design and built on the robust Solana blockchain, Cheems combines fun aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, offering users a seamless and efficient crypto experience. So presenting Cheems with a hat on Solana, where memes meet blockchain revolution. Get ready for a wild ride to the moon with this crypto sensation, grab your hat and join the Cheems squad for the dankest, fastest, and most decentralized fun in the crypto galaxy. Hashtag Cheems hat token, hashtag to the moon, hashtag Solana revolution. So their DEX screener chart here says that there is locked liquidity. It's only $1,000 so far in locked liquidity on Raydium. Very low supply here on Raydium right now, which is 3.58 ETH. Now this token could be available also on Jupiter or Orca, some other decentralized exchanges, but according to DEX Tools, they only have 118 holders so far. And they have a 24-hour trading volume, though, of $44,000. And a market cap right now is $760,280. So they're not doing too bad. There could be multiple pools here, like Jupiter. Now, they have a quick audit on their DEX Tools chart here. You can check out a quick audit by Quick Intel Security. And it says, contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and it says no other risks. Now keep in mind that's just a quick audit, but yeah, you can check out that quick audit on DEX Tools by Quick Intel Security. And besides that, if you want to follow their socials here, they have a Telegram at Cheems Wifhat SOLL. And they have 36 subscribers on there so far, so they're just starting out here. But you can preview the channel, check it out before joining. And then, of course, they have their Twitter here that I just mentioned. That has 40 tweets on it. Almost the Twitter has almost more information than their webpage. So, yeah, they just got listed on MTM.ai. And they were trending recently, so they just announced that too. Welcome to the Cheems Wifhat party on Solana. Strut into the crypto universe wearing the coolest hat in town. And yeah, lots of memes all over their Twitter. So if you want to see memes with dogs in hats, that's the place to go. But I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know, what do you guys think about Cheems Wifhat? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC global one where they say the Cheems Wifhat token will be listed in the future. Make sure you guys leave a comment down there, like this video, subscribe. If you want to help support the channel, thanks to everybody who's been hitting that join button. That's a great way to help support. Check out the merch section down there. Check out my Facebook in the description box and my Patreon down there. And thanks everybody for watching. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.